Welcome to Sai Sarvesh YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about our precious Indian apps with Chinese apps. First section, we are going to see about news apps. In Chinese app, D News. For Chinese apps, D News. Indian app, Daily Hunt. Indian app, Daily Hunt. Next one, file transferring apps. In Chinese apps, Share It. Next one, Extender. In Indian app, Geo Switch, used for transferring files. Next one, browsing apps. First Chinese app, UC browser. In other hand, Indian app, Indian browser, Geo browser. Next one, free calling and texting messaging apps. In Chinese app, WeChat. Indian app, Hike. Other similar apps, WhatsApp, Telegram. Next, entertainment. For Chinese app, TikTok. Indian apps related to TikTok, Mitran, Roposo, Bolo, India. Other similar apps, YouTube, Google Meet. Next one, photo editing apps. Chinese apps, B612. Indian app, Indian selfie camera. Indian selfie camera. Next, video editing apps. Chinese app, Viva Video. Indian apps, Share Chat, Enjoy, Funniest Indian app, Bolo India app. It seems like TikTok. Next one, video conference calling. In Chinese app, Zoom Cloud Meet. In our Indian app, Say Namaste video conferencing app. Similar apps, Google Meet. Scanning documents. In Chinese apps, CamScanner. Similar apps in scanning documents, Microsoft Office Lens. Next one, online shopping. In Chinese app, Club Factory. In our Indian app, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment it. Thank you.